Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. And once you wake up the screen, you will need to press and hold the upper button to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it of course. Here look for the option called battery manager, and once you find it, tap on it. As you can see, here we have option called battery saver, and we have the estimation next to it and the status. Status is off and the estimation is 6 days. And if you want to turn on the power saving mode, simply tap on the battery saver and then tap on the check mark. Here you have the list of basically functions that were disabled, but I don't care about it right now, so I'm gonna tap on the check mark. As you can see, the battery saver extended our battery for 13 days basically. So doubled it, more than double. Okay, and if you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face if you press it a couple of times. And that's how it looks like when you have the battery saver mode enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to open the menu again, tap on settings, go to the system, battery manager, and tap on battery saver to disable it. And as you can see, the status went back to off, and the estimation is back to 6 days. Okay, you can also turn on the power saving mode in quicker fashion. So if you open the menu, you can scroll through it, tap on edit, here scroll down, tap on add, and then tap on the battery saver. It will add the battery saver to the list of options in the menu, as you can see. And now you can open the menus, simply scroll down, tap on battery saver, tap on the check mark, and the battery saver will be enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can simply tap on the battery saver icon and it will be disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable, how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.